For many, this quarantine is either a blessing in disguise or, of course, an unfavorable time period. Although many of us would rather not be stuck at home, this is the perfect time to learn some new things and hobbies. For me, I've been picking up on learning a new language. Though it may be challenging at first, you may find it more simple and interesting by finding your own fun ways to learn that language, instead of a textbook. This can include watching television shows in that language, flashcards, or any other ways you may find. For me, j'apprends le français depuis 3 mois. Another interesting thing that I've been doing on my own is teaching myself how to lucid dream. Lucid dreaming has forced me into a routine in which to have a dream journal next to my bed at all times. So every morning when I wake up, I can write down exactly what I had a dream about. This as well has introduced me to journaling, which is a way to put your thoughts on a piece of paper and just write out your goals for the day every day, or whatever you may choose to write. Whether it's learning something new or starting a new habit, this time at home is the perfect time to earn yourself a new skill. I'm Noorani for WinTV.